Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing my first Tempur Pedic pillow. So pretty large pillow packaging. Looks pretty standard cardboard. Sorry, I'm gonna use a knife to open this up top here. Didn't zoom out enough, but all good. Let's see. I think we'll get the gist of this. Let me put this down over here. Wow. This is a nice looking pillow, guys. Never had a Tempur Pedic pillow before. That's what it looks like. Oh, it feels great. Let's open this up. Wow, this pillow feels super nice. Check it out. Here's the tag. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, second tag. Cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this pillow. Try it out. I'm excited. Oh, a little dirty. Cool. Yeah, I hope you're all doing well. Catch you on the next unboxing video. See you later. Bye.